Welcome, Aquarius, in your psychic reading from the month of September to December. In this reading, I will channel some messages for you from my spirit guides, angels, and divine. Remember, this is a journal reading. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest for the others. So, Aquarius, I am seeing you guys are involved in some work. It could be related to healing or your career. I am seeing here you just have ended up some relations which were draining for you and you were not happy in these kind of relationships, and now you are focusing on your healing and you are taking some healing counselings and tarot readings. Right now maybe you are feeling drained or your energy is not so good because of the things that happened in past. I am also seeing from the month of March you are more concerned about your healing, about your career, and about your business. I am seeing offer is coming towards you, Aquarius. It could be related to your business, career, or love life. I am also seeing right now you are more focused on your career and you also want to start some venture. It could be online or household venture. I'm also seeing you guys are thinking to buy something household stuff. It could be automobile or anything related to your house, could be furniture. I am also getting the month of September is really good for all of you. In this month, many proposals will come your way. You will heal. I am seeing a lot of healing energy here for you in the month of September. And if you guys are waiting for a proposal related to business, it is on its way. I am seeing in the month of November, you will have an opportunity in your hand. It could be related to your career and your venture, and you will be not stuck on your past and the thing which were not in order for you, which were unpleasant for you. And in this month you will try to move on, and some of you will definitely move on and start a new beginning here. I am seeing a lot of new beginnings, happiness and positivity is coming towards you, Aquarius. And from the past few months you were trying to manifest many things and you were not balanced. You are focusing on many things at once, but now in the month of September you will decide what you truly want in your life and what you want to replace or banish. And at the end of this month September, you will decide all the things, all the desires, all the need which you want to manifest in upcoming time. In the month of October, I am seeing a lot of positivity and spiritual energy for all of you. You may be or you will connected with your divine angel spirit guides for the guidance. I am also seeing a manifestation is coming true at the end of October. It could be related to your love life or your career. I am also seeing you guys are trying to manifest more abundance and more prosperity. Here is a good news for you, Aquarius. In the month of December, you will have a lot of prosperity, abundance, and positivity. You will be surrounded by people who will motivate you, who will uplift you towards the good things in your life and will give you positivity to receive the best thing in your life. I am also seeing you are continuously moving towards positivity, hope, and light, and you are denying to accept the things in a negative way or in a toxic way. The people who have drained your energy will leave you soon, or almost they have left you and they have nothing to do with you because you have learned your lessons. They were here to awake you and to make you learn some lessons, and I am definitely getting you have learned your lessons. In the month of November, I am also getting something manifestation, a new beginning is coming for you. It could be related to your marriage, love life, or children. If you are planning for children, then November will be a good month for you. And I am also seeing some of you will get engaged or meet your soulmate in the month of November. In the beginning of December, there are a lot of happiness, positivity, abundance, and prosperity is coming your way. You just have to open your heart to receive it. Maybe in past you were trying to manifest more money, more abundance, prosperity, but you did not manifest because of your lower vibrations, or people around you were make you doubt on yourself. But in the month of December, I am seeing all these are coming together for you, and they will rush in your life. There will be a lot of abundance and prosperity. I am also seeing more self-love here. By the end of this year, you will be a whole different person. You will glow with the self-love. You will accept yourself as you are, and you will move towards new beginnings. I am seeing the door of hope are opening for you. You just need to have patience and faith in divine. I am also getting air sign is coming towards you. This could be your soulmate, twin flame, or your friend, and this person really have good intentions for you, and this will motivate to you to move forward with hope, with faith. And this could be also be your spirit guide and a spiritual guru. I am also getting here, please pay attention to your dreams. I am getting you are receiving many light codes, many information from the divine through your dreams or your visions. If you are getting these signs and vision, please believe on them, because these are the messages and sign from the divine to telling you everything will be all right, and something extraordinary will surprise you. So I am seeing a lot of positivity, abundance, and new beginning and changes here for all of you. Just keep manifesting, do journal, and you will get everything which you have or had prayed for. So that's for you, Aquarius. If you like this video, please like to my video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We'll see you in another reading.